What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be installing the Nismo shift knob, but before we get to that, we have super exciting news. So I'm proud to announce that Stockboys has partnered with Rev Auto Supply. I freaking got my first sponsor, guys. This is really crazy because I don't know, when I started this YouTube channel, I never thought this kind of stuff would happen, but it's super awesome. So right now they're doing a 370Z car giveaway actually. So I'll put their link down below, a link to their website where you can go buy products from them. All they do is sell car cleaning products, detailing products, wax, brake cleaners, tire cleaners, all that good stuff. I actually ordered some stuff. We'll be getting that in about a week or so when we're doing a review on those products. Use the code STOCKBOYS for 15% off your order. That sounds awesome. Like, you get to use Stockboys code. That sounds badass. So I'm super excited to work with them. Thank you Rev Auto for the opportunity. I'm super grateful for it. So let's get to the install. So we got the Nismo shift knob here, and hey look, Daniel just pulled up. Ah, American guys. We got the Nismo shift knob now, as you can see. Hopefully it gets in focus. Full carbon fiber 10mm thread. So initial impressions before I even put it on is that it's actually really small. So in pictures, I always thought it was really small. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think it's...
That's what she said.
I think it's 3 inches, maybe 3.5 inches. Showing you guys the OEM shift knob. So whatever you guys know what it looks like. The thing that sucks about 370Zs is that you can't just twist it off and pull it. You actually have to open up the shift boot, get a plier, vice grip around it, rotate it the opposite way of the person holding it. So we're gonna get that done, get this shift knob installed. Okay, so all you're gonna wanna do is pop this out, super easy. So once you pop this off, you get this part right here, get someone to wrap a towel and vice grips around it, hold that part while you twist that. So the whole vice grip thing of holding it here and twisting on the top isn't really working for us right now. So we're literally just twisting it on the top because there's not enough room to vice grip at the bottom and here. So we're literally just taking turns rotating and screwing it off with the towel. It's been a struggle. Oh! So you get this little plastic piece that comes with it, put it on there because it clears up for that spacing because this one is so small, and it screws right up. Screws right on after you get that part on. Alright guys, we finally got the Nismo shift knob off. It looks really good. It looks way better than the OEM one, and you know, gotta get the Nismo, Nismo. Respective IP Man 4 that just came out. You got some Wing Chun going on. Alright, we're gonna go for a test drive and see if it feels any different. It feels good so far. You can hit some of these things in there. I like it. It is really small though, so I don't know. But I do like how it feels right now. So the thing that sucks about this the most is that you get fingerprints right away. So you know, to avoid that, guys, we're gonna leave this here and shift with this so that it never gets fingerprints. All right, we're about to set off with the new Nismo shift knob. Also, I recently moved and now I park my car in a parking garage all the time, and the Tome cold start in the mornings in a parking garage is brutal. I actually set off a car alarm 2 days ago. I felt so bad. Hopefully their battery didn't die, but cold started. 3, 2, 1, go. Sounds so good. It sounds so good. We'll get on the streets and I'll see y'all there. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a quick pull with the new shift knob, see if it feels better shifting or worse. So let's do a first gear let's do a 20 roll. I missed the shift. Second gear pull right now. We're going about 25. We'll see what it feels like. Wait for this car to pass up when we do it.
How'd it feel, man?
So this shift knob is definitely gonna take some getting used to because it's so much less girthier than the stock one. It's so slim, so it's hard to kind of grip.
Yeah, I feel like this material is not easy to grip either.
Yeah, it's kind of slippery. It's, you know, it's like we like to grip big stuff, so this thing is slippery and it's just slimmer, but it does feel more notchy, which I do like. I have to get used to it. I'm missing like a lot of shifts and I'm shifting super slow right now. All right, let's see the Tome under the underpass. The Nismo shift knob, it looks really good. Let me just show you guys one more time. So it looks really good. It feels good, I just have to get used to it. After driving it around for a little bit, I really need to get used to it. It feels so different. Like I said earlier, it's so much thinner than the OEM shift knob. If anybody wants an OEM shift knob, I'm selling one for 300 bucks. I think it looks a lot better. I just have to get used to the feeling. This video is over. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little install. Hopefully you don't struggle as much with your shift knob because we struggled. There's 3 of us rotating out to turn this thing on and off. So hopefully you don't struggle as much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.